I've come to Sheffield today to talk as part of the International Journalism Week 2019 about the growing threats to press freedom around the world. So it's now more dangerous to be a journalist than ever before. We're seeing a huge number of killings of journalists around the world, almost all with impunity. Over the past 10 years, we know of at least 968 cases of journalists killed. And as we speak today, nearly 400 journalists are in prison around the world in connection with their journalism.
In this lecture, I argue that the UN's protection of journalists depends on its ability to persuade states to implement their existing international legal obligations. The big takeaway, I think, from my lecture is that states should be courageous and put pressure on each other to ensure that journalists are protected in their own countries and in other countries too.
Here in this country, we have mass-selling popular papers like The Sun and the Daily Express and the Daily Mail. So what the public are getting from their newspapers are very politicized front pages, and the significance of them is that they feed through. You see those front pages on television in the morning or in the evening. You see the stories which the newspapers are promoting reproduced on social media. So what we have to understand is that almost half the country is impacted in some way.
Since 25 years now, we mainly operate in sub-Saharan Africa, in the Sahel region, in Central Africa, Congo. And what we try to do is really to create local media that provide factual information and a platform for inclusive dialogue in those contexts and countries that try to recover from conflicts.